Addison, and today we are doing some more videos with Kate. And today we are reviewing some borax slimes. Borax. Borax slime.
It's actually not bad like people think it is. I mean, people say, oh, they're going to burn. Nobody can touch it anymore.
This is not borax slime. This is snow slime, though, but it's also slime.
It's made out of borax.
Oh, well, it's also snow slime. So.
Girl child.
Let's start. I'm going to start off with this teal one.
I'm going to start with this one that I made.
You got this one red.
She
called this on red? You left her on red? You left her on red?
I turned my newest white one red.
No, you did that.
Oh, you did that. You're the one who touched it.
Since 1983. I don't know it. Okay, guys. This is a teal one. It's very stretchy.
This is the snow slime.
I love that one. So yeah, borax slime is not that bad, guys. Wait, let's cook it. Move some of these other slimes that we're going to be using.
I stepped in slime and now my sock is on. That was my fuzzy sock and my only sock.
Same with me. Something purple slime. I'm taking my socks off. You know what? What?
I know. Screw socks. Even though I love
okay,
socks.
wait. Listen.
Not screw you. Let me try clicky mine.
Yeah.
This one might not be too clicky.
Yeah, it's just snow slime.
Yeah, this is snow slime. It's not too clicky. Unless you press really hard, which, you know, YouTubers do. Fakers.
Fakers! Okay, this is the most recent one.
That was mine.
Yeah, I gave her some glue, and she made this one. Literally, borax slime feels so good, because it's just like glue. Like, stretchy glue. That's what borax slime just feels like. And that, like...
But it's not sticky.
Yeah, no, it's not sticky glue.
This one...
It's okay. Good. It's okay.
It feels like it'd be really stretchy.
I was really rushed. I did that one in the morning for school. Like, I was really rushed.
Why would you make it before?
I'm bored, okay?
How do you even have that much time? I don't have time to be bored. I just have time to be
I have like 30 minutes when I wake up. Most of that time is spent sleeping. Like, I get ready and I just sleep. So, yeah, wait, listen.
That one's so good. It's clicky. I made it yesterday.
Wait, I'm going to dye this one for you guys, okay? What color do you want it? Pick a color. So we're going to dye this one. Kate's going to do some of the other slimes, and I'm going to dye this one.
I want to just do a little bit of this color because I don't have a pink one. I tried to make one red.
It's purple.
That looks pink to me. Okay, but if it's purple, don't do it.
I have pink.
Oh, you have a pink. There it is. I'll do a drop first, and then I'll tell you if it's good enough, and then... So then this one, let me see if it's clicky. Hang on, listen. Okay, so it's kind of...
Yeah, that one's okay.
Yeah, this one's only okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this one's also one that I made a long time ago.
It has beads in it.
Yeah, the beads kind of turned it gray, and it kind of got dirty, but...
This isn't now. It is pink.
Put a little bit more, like one drop in it.
Okay.
But we might will it missing while he's running.
No, it is.
But okay, that song is like so catchy and so good.
Yeah.
This one like looks like unicorn slime. Like, look at that. It's not completely mixed in. It's like more pink in real life than bluish, purplish. Click. Sorry. But when I see while he's running on his bike. Oh wait, let me see if this one's clicky. I don't think it is. Oh, it's actually more clicky than I thought.
That one's like my worst one that I've ever made, pretty much. That good? Or
Yeah, that's good.
You don't want to mix anything with it?
No. Okay, purple. This one's good.
Yeah, so I just dyed this one, and now it is pink, now white. People think it's like so sticky, guys. It is not. It might stick to you every now and then,
but like I feel like the people that it sticks to the most like are not slime people.
Like literally, okay,
like,
so
not meant for slime.
I have people that I know, not naming names. I got people and they literally play with it like this. Now, do you see this?
Yeah, that's right. They're just like, and like, okay, like my brother, I'll like poke it fast, like it doesn't stick to you.
Yeah, my brother,
like,
yeah, let me adjust the camera so you can see this. My brother, he goes, no.
Yeah, I like get my brother to go like really fast on it, and yeah, and it still sticks to him. Like I feel like certain people
Just have
their
bad hands
skin-
because their skin
aren't
isn't
just-
used to it. Their skin isn't used to
I
it.
feel like their skin's just not made for slime. you
Because
know
my
what I
skin
mean?
was awful when I started making slime. So like your skin, like your hands aren't just used to it yet. You gotta make it. So I'm not naming names. So she bought slime. Like she doesn't make it. She buys it.
Like from the store or from.
I don't know. I don't know.
If it's from the store, those slimes are crappy.
Yeah, don't buy slime from stores. Always just make it.
It's like in these like tiny containers, and it's like hard. It's not stretchy.
It's like already half stale.
It's either really hard
Or really
and like,
dried
not
out.
stretchy,
Dried out.
or it's like super runny, like everybody thinks slime is. Like that's what I thought slime was before I started making slime.
Oh no! Look, it's like.
She
Okay.
picked it up with her toe.
And now it's in your slime.
Okay, this one's not good. I can't make slime when I'm at other people's houses.
Yeah, I
It
don't
like
know
just
what.
doesn't
It
turn out.
does. Yeah.
Never.
I'm just
And-
playing with this and stuff.
And so we just put like red slime or pet dye on it.
And
But
it's just
This is
tie-dye
like really bad. Like it's a good squeezy one. And then like look at this. Sorry.
Got in my hair.
No.
Oh, it went in your bad. It went in your slime.
It's okay.
Guys, do we have any more? Yeah, we do.
I know.
Yeah, we have like the two best ones. I'm gonna do that one. You do yellow. You do yellow.
I thought we already did this one.
I don't
Or
think.
you already did this one. Did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I thought you did. That's why I haven't done it yet. There was no piece there. Was if you all watch like Stranger Things,
There was Luke.
that song is like really good.
It's
But
really catchy. Okay, this
Yeah.
one is the biggest thing that I have, like biggest tub and biggest borax slime that I have.
I'll stick it on my face. Once Ty dared me, my carpet was like, or my flooring was carpet.
It used to be carpet.
Yeah, it used to be. It's not a hard one. But then so I put a laundry basket in there, and so that way it's hard and I could play with slime on it because I didn't have my desk at that point. I don't have it anymore, but like I could play with slime on the floor. But I put my slime on there, and it like got like kind of sticky, and it was like this huge one. Like it was my favorite one, but then it got like kind of sticky. Hang on, I'm gonna play with that one.
Okay.
And
Put the lid on this
my
one, girl.
brother dared me to stick my face in it because I mentioned something about it. So I did, and the first time, like, nothing really happened. And then the second time, it got, like, in my hair and stuck in my eyebrows. It was, but yeah, like, I, like, literally just set it there, and, like, spread it out, and then went, and held my breath, but.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you think I should make more borax slime. If you think I should do more videos with Kate, and like what other videos I should do.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
And like our next video because we're making a video about shaving cream and borax and seeing what happens. So go watch that.
Well, if you watch this video,
Like right after we post it.
then it's not going to be there. Because we got to like make it and all that stuff.
Yeah, so.
Bye-bye!
Bye.